All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall pay respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity, along life, my happiness. Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Thank you everyone. Look front and take your